What is going on, everybody? SW Motorsports here. Today we are going to be doing a door change. Well, I won't say door change, but removing a door and installing a door on this Acura TSX. Now the door is quite dented, but not to worry because we got the brand new door over there. And this might be kind of like a sped up time lapse of it, possibly, unless I run into any problems, which I can show you guys how to avoid. So without any further ado, here we go.
Sweet.
Door's off. Door is off.
Discombobulated it completely.
Oh yeah. Look at that new dirty door. We got Dirty Dan. Let's hope we're making this work.
Dirty legs.
Who you calling Pinhead? Let's make this work. And that's how you put on a door. That's very difficult. Make chicken.
Brought to you by
Crispy chicken sandwiches. Please join us.
Jordan's Door Repair.
Yeah, Jordan's Door Repair and Dent Repair. He got rid of the dent. Dent's not there anymore, which is good. Anyway, if you guys like this, let us know in the comments below. And let us also know what you guys like to see. Don't forget to hit that like button here. 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 And then hit the subscribe button over here. And then we'll see you guys next time on some more SW Motorsports. Bye.